guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sneha and you're watching my channel roundshade. I am back again with another new video, and as you can see I am super excited. I love winter and I'm always excited this time of the year. So yeah, before stepping to 2021 I thought of making the last vlog with a happy note. So in this vlog I'm going to be decorating a Christmas tree. I'll be baking a cake, I guess, after a very long time, so it can be a disaster as well. I don't know. Let's decorate the Christmas tree first. So I really like this place. This is from last year actually. Every year.
Oh, Baba, my phone.
So I've already opened the Christmas tree, but I want to give a snow effect to it. So let me bring some cotton. Wait. আমাদের দর্শক বন্ধুদেরকে একটু সামনে নিয়ে আসি. These cottons will look like snow. Now we are thinking to decorate this place as well. Oh, see my nail paint. I love it. It's Christmas themed, you know. It's time for some fairy lights.
Complete.
The Christmas tree is ready and it looks so pretty, isn't it? Now I think I'm going to bake a cake. I don't know how it's going to turn out because I'm going to bake after such a long time. So, but yeah, let's hope for the best and let's go bake a cake. Every year we go to Park Street during Christmas and it's a must every year. So we could not stop ourselves from going this year as well. But the difference was this year we did not step out of the car even for a moment because it was so crowded. But we really wanted to see all the decorations and the vibes of the people in Kolkata. So we went there and it was so beautiful. Then we returned home and my cake was ready, so let's see how it is.
Merry